Hey everyone, today we are going to show you how to easily add a debit card to your AliExpress account so you can make hassle-free purchases. Let's get started. First of all, open the AliExpress app on your phone or go to the AliExpress website on your computer and sign into your account. If you don't have an account, make sure to create one. Next, tap on the account icon located at the bottom of the screen on mobile or at the top right on the website. From there, click on Payment Settings or My Payments to manage your payment methods. Now click on Add Payment Methods and choose debit card as your preferred option. Enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Make sure everything is accurate to avoid payment issues. Once you have filled out all the details, click Save to add your debit card to your account. You will now be able to use it for future purchases. And that's it. Thanks for watching.